All right, how's it going? So you clicked this video here because you're having trouble with Arc Raiders or even Battlefield 6, maybe Marvel Rivals. It's just crashing on load up for some reason. And let's say you've tried everything, you went on everyone's guidance on it, it's doing the same thing. Well, depending if you have an older motherboard, we're talking older, within 2, 3 years old, nothing brand new. What you're gonna want to check out, or even if it is brand new, what you're gonna want to check out is if your PCIe slot on your motherboard and also your graphics card, whether or not it is actually clean. So, what I had to do was take apart my system, and I did everything reset PC, updated everything to normal, tried out a whole bunch. I'm 20 different drivers that would work properly for these games. And what I found that actually worked was actually cleaning the actual PCIe slot on the motherboard and the actual PCIe slot on the actual, well, not slot, but the PCIe lanes, these connectors here on the actual GPU. That fixed my issue. 100% stable, no issues whatsoever. Loading up the cache. Generally, you would have crashing, just weird crashing. Loading up the game, stopped doing that. I can do any setting I want now in game. No low settings if I want. I can do high settings if I wanted, and it loads up, no problem, no crashing. Doesn't crash PC anymore. Doesn't just crash the game for some reason or give you out of video memory errors. That's all I had to do. I just had to clean the actual PCIe slot of the motherboard and the GPU side. That is it. Now, another issue that could arise is if your actual plugins, your actual 8 pins, or let's say you're on 12-volt high power connector, are not seated correctly, or maybe they're just older or have been bent quite a bit. Maybe use a new pair and put it into your PSU to your GPU and then go from there and see if that fixes your issue. But what fixed my issue, and I'm hoping this fixes everyone else's issue, I've seen thousands upon thousands of comments on this, and the issue that I found was actually just the motherboard itself and a little bit of the GPU side. So if you've tried everything, go out, try that, and you will see that it will fix your issue. Now, let's say you don't want to clean out your motherboard yet. All you have to do, if you have another PCIe slot on your motherboard that's the same gen, same amount of PCIe lanes on that, like mine, just switch your GPU to that one there and try that out. See if that fixes it. It should. I've done that for a test and it fixed it. So I figured it was the PCIe slot and or graphics card just making bad contact. The PCIe slot does have pins that touch either side of the actual GPU side here, and those can wear out and or get dirty depending on time or just a lot of weight. Graphics cards nowadays are pretty heavy. A lot of weight could cause it to uh, make not as nice contact as what it should, and now GPUs need the best contact as possible. So maybe just switch the slots and then see if that fixes it. If it fixes it, clean your motherboard and GPU up, and hopefully that fixes your problem. That was all I had to do. I've tried everything else. This is actually what fixed my issue. So hopefully it fixes yours. If it did, leave me a comment in the comment section below. I do PC hardcore overclocking, I do tuning, I do everything for RAM, GPU, CPUs, motherboards, you name it. I am a top overclocker in Canada, so it is what I do. I do tuning and I do benchmarking for games and other things like that as well. Live stream as much as possible and try to bring out these kind of videos that can help you. Very simplified, and we'll let you know what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. If you want to see how I clean out the actual motherboard slot, let me know in the comment section below. I'll make a video of how I do that, and hopefully this fixes your issue. So thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to get her done. Peace.